Hello, my name is Valentino Hadanosama Matakena. I am from University IAI. My name number is 11410010. Today, I will present about this. 1. The future of accounting and its innovation. Digital technology has an impact on the strategic and competitive aims for the company, but also it affects on the business models, competitive advantage, as well as on a company's approach to the market. Also, there is an influence of digital technology on the accounting information and management control system. Mancini et al. 2017. Accounting rules and principles have been established for many years and they do not change over time. On the other hand, accounting industry is evolving and it changes as a consequence of development of technology. The corporate of accountant tax and activity is transforming and client expectations are changing. Development of technology and digitalization of object and just accounting profession. What the fact is the accounting facing innovation of technology, artificial intelligence and robotic. Artificial intelligence and robotic is automating complex and repetitive tasks and process with the extreme accuracy, reducing operation costs and increasing efficiency. There are some of the emerging technology supporting the transitional role of today is accountant into a more critical thinking role. However, the Association of Software Certification Accountant ACCI and Institute of Management Accountant EMA stated in their report. Although on again intelligent enough to replicate the human brain is not the reality, there are many examples that can demonstrate limited intelligence depending on how this is defined. Intelligent behavior can include learning from experience, determining what is important, handling complex situations, understanding visual image, being creative, imaginative, and other characteristics. Cloud computing. Cloud computing is a type of the internet-based computing that provides computer processing result and data to computer and other device on demand. This allow the accountant to perform accounting tasks from any location as well to ability to develop financial information and report through the code. Innovation in tech software. The tech software of today has helped improve accuracy while reducing margin of error, something business want to embrace in order to avoid tax penalty and prevent issue with the stakeholders. Better tax software also helps streamline audits by making them more efficient and effective. Raymondson Council of Member CPA set a new understanding of new accounting software and other business financial model will be necessary if practicing accountants are to effectively conduct audit and discharge their responsibility. Mobile accounting accountants are increasingly dependent on their mobile device to access data. Mobile connectivity is also bridge accountant of their client. Companies like Xero are helping to launch to the mobile app of accounting. Their mobile apps help accounting firms manage their business while on the move. The firms can reconcile, send invoice and receive, and create expense funds from a smartphone or tablet. Social media. Social media has become an essential tool for the firm wanting to engage with their current potential client while expanding their brand reach. Gary Boomer, CPA or CTP, CEO of the Boomer Consulting includes, and Jim Bower, Witton Smith, and Chris Brown see social media as a tool will continue to evolve and provide a content with available sales and marketing platform that can easily connect them to current and potential clients. 2. The future of accounting and its innovation. Digital technology has an impact strategy, competitive aims for the company, but also it affects on the business model, competitive advantage, as well as on the company's approach to the market. Also, there is influence of the digital technology and on the accounting information and management control system. Mancini et al. 2017 accounting rule and principle have been established for many years and they do not change over time. On the other hand, accounting industry is evolving and it changes as a consequence of the development of technology. The corporate, the content text activity is transforming and our client expectations are changing. Development of technology or digitization allow objects and change of the accounting profession. The development of the computer system leads to the reduction of to the workloads of accountant repetitive action that exists in the environment of the traditional methods are made easy and quickly. 3. Digitization and accounting profession. There are different reasons why accountants should accept and buy and apply modern digital solution. Factors that can have a significant impact will be 1% upon the technological change according to the studies conducted by Wilson et al. 1992 among the UK accounting profession are as follows: need to meet the prescribed deadline for the accounting test and important to provide a better timely information for the parent user. Furthermore, by using technology, the quality and relevance of the accounting process will be improved. Technological development and technologies like the cloud, artificial intelligence, and blockchain will strengthen of the role of the accountant and the entire financial industry because reducing manual data entry and improving the speed, quality of and accuracy of data. Digitalization implies is a different philosophy in the way in which the company are managing and conducting their business process activity. Mancini et al. 2017. According to the Mancini 2016, keyword that catalyzes the purposes the digital technology are ubiquitous, openness and sharing. Accordingly, the data and information are freely available and therefore is without hesitation among the organization a group of people. The existence of the digital wallet as an electronic or online service has significant impact on the customer confidence on the online trade and the volume of the electronic transaction payment for the goods and services we purchase online are secure for the personal information and for actual transaction. Digital wallets are developed and designed in order to be accurate when transferring data to retail checkout forms. 4. The main digital solution for accountant. Main digital that have a big impact on accounting profession are artificial intelligence. Smart technology like artificial intelligence and machine learning have been integrated, providing the near real-time information to business. Artificial intelligence and automation can significantly reduce to the need for human labor, and it can be integrated into the accounting and auditing process. Artificial intelligence can be successfully applied for more structured, for example, and repetitive tasks where the gathering human knowledge and expertise is not actually difficult and demanding. Blockchains allow the business to access the same information in the real time from different sources. Majority of businesses are choosing this differing the method of to secure their sensitive accounting data and speed up the complex process. Prevent the blockchain technology for the cryptocurrency is not valid. Along with the uninterrupted security and transparency, blockchain is capable enough to replace traditional ways of handling auditing, complaint, and reconciliation tax. Continuous accounting. Technology development are provide the new opportunities for the providing information on a daily basis. Accounting is still based on the periodic review and analysis of information, but a stakeholder auditor and other expert comprehensive and real-time reporting. Implementing and transitioning from a periodic basis of accounting and reporting focus on security and financial information to a more comprehensive view of accounting report will include a transition period and information steps. Big data and data analysis will affect accounting in many ways. For example, by influencing how business is conducted by how and how financial statements are prepared and audited. Also, big data have a significant impact on the quality decision-making process because the measurement of data have been enhanced and data are composition. The information is better understood. Relate to accounting information a system, the most significant of the development of information technology is impact on the data management and or how company manage data processing in order to get reliable information. In an article from 2018, meta-review of article of the big data in academic research in accounting and finance research saw the six under research area of the big data in accounting and finance. Six, how future of accounting and its innovation, digitalization, and the development of information technology represent a great opportunity for company. Furthermore, digitalization bring a lot of the change for accounting profession. It will change the way accounting work and think. Despite the many of accountants think that digitalization will take their job and the robots will replace human research, so that accountant will use digital solution and automation for the routine tasks rather than replace accountant. There are text activity of accountant that require to critical thinking and creativity, so it will be not easy to automate those text activity accordingly. Digitization will affect the development of the profession. Accountant should be ready for automation and that requires specific and new qualities and skill accountant. The process of digitization accounting of financial reporting on a daily basis connected with the financial market will have a significant impact on the investor's decision, especially on a small investor. The main asset this is contained in your daily balance sheet is available to financial statement usually in the information of the digitization of accounting and financial reporting. Filter should be there through the survey as well as the in-depth interpretation in order to gain knowledge about the change role of the accountant in improvement of digitalization and automation and the use of artificial intelligence and about the accounting tasks are data automated in company with different size, micro, small, medium, and large. So this is my presentation about this. Thank you for watching. And sorry, maybe I say word of my word is not last. And thank you for watching.